Hey yo, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a mod on my, from my, Baldi's Basics Scratch demo thing. So, you can put this on Scratch, you can put your mod on Scratch, I don't care. It's, very fun to make mods. Now, I don't know if it's fun to make mods, but it was fun making the game itself, so I'm expecting it will be fun to make mods. I'm going to show you how to make mods. So first off, you'll click C inside, come down to your file, save as copy, and then you're going to come to your projects, and you should have a Baldi's Basics demo copy. You'll hit C inside, and then you can edit the project. I'll show you how to edit project. I don't need that. So if there are any elements that are already out that you don't need, you can just delete them. But you can see a new notebook variable. You can change how many notebooks you need. So backdrops, yeah. If notebook equals 4, then block. Now, to copy a notebook, to create another notebook, hit duplicate, come in, take this, delete that, and then we can come over here, motion, and then you just drag out a new go-to block. And that's it. When you hit start, you can see got 2 brand new ones, but there's a problem. See, you can get those. Just that last one, you can't get. Just that last one we can't get, which is weird. Last one we can't get, which is weird. So first off, I'm just going to just click. This is about here. Right. Just do that, and then I'm going to simply stop all this. Simply do a new one real quick, just real quick. Then I just do a simple thing where I just hit bold. Oh, no. You can edit the backdrop if you want. I'll show you that a little later. But, Baldi's Basics played a demo. When we down here, you can see that over here. Not that. We're going to go to backdrops. We're going to do 5 here. And then, that's it. That's it. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do to change your notebook, to change the value of notebooks you need. So, now, when I hit start, if I just, if I grab all of the notebook, if I grab 4, it doesn't automatically stop the game. If I grab 5, it automatically stops the game. You can edit any of the screens like this. Make sure you're on backdrops. Make sure you're on stage, hit backdrops and say, oh, you want a custom background. You can do maybe just I'm just gonna do, I don't know. It's not working again. Why isn't it working again? Can I just do it? Take. Here's my light. Ugly. It's ugly! Okay, that's our custom background. And then maybe add a little smiles faces into it. You got a custom background now. Got your own custom background. Play. Yeah. Now say you wanted to edit the screen. Come over here and use find backdrop 2, and let's say I don't want the you finished the game screen. Why don't we do the why don't we just do A? So why and might just want to do thing one Scratch decides might just decide to do a thing. Yes. Get a nice little black here. You might just decide to do a thing that says done. And then collect all the notebooks. And done! You have your custom finish screen. Now, say you want a custom starting screen. I don't want to make a circle. I want to erase my current starting screen. So it looks so I can do this one. So first things first, erase starting screen. Simple as that. When Scratch will load, I will grab this. Let's say let's just say that. Click. Start. Boom. You've made it. You made everything. This is click start. Now say you want to customize your start button. Say you want this to be red. Well, you need red that you want. I want a bunch of stuff. Find the red that you want. And you can use the fill tool. Fill that red. Then you can start. You can actually done. It's a nice modding tool. And when you finish modding, simply all you need to do is save all your stuff. Let's just call this mod. share that. Now, the notes and credits has to be this is a mod, period, or else I will do a little thing that says, or else I will comment a thing that says bad. And also, here, I'm also going to do it so you don't just upload any random Baldi's Basics game. I'm also going to do hashtag BBM for Baldi's Basics mod. Make sure you include that on there, or else I will also comment. I will reply to your post, or else I will also reply to your post and say that. So, that's it. Turn commenting off if you want. I'll turn that back on real quick so you can. No, I'll leave commenting off because I don't need reviews on my mod there. But the mod is out. But this mod is out now, and we made it in a very short time. Goodbye.